Welcome to AccuQuiltable Block Maker. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Backdrop tool, a powerful feature that allows you to place images on your work page for tracing, auditioning quilt designs, and ensuring precise alignment and scale. Let's get started. To begin, let's load a backdrop image. Click the Backdrop tool icon from the View tools on the left. Choose an image file, JPEG, PNG, SVG, PDF, or BMP. Click Open and the image will appear on your work page. Once your backdrop is placed, you can resize, rotate, or adjust its transparency using the Backdrop tab in the Properties box. Change width and height, enter precise dimensions to resize the image. Use scale, adjust proportionally for accurate sizing. Rotate 90 degrees or 180 degrees, or enter a custom angle. Adjust lightness. Use the slider to fade the image for better visibility when designing. Click Apply to save your changes. If your backdrop image is slightly tilted, you can align it to a straight reference line. Click the Backdrop tool drop-down and select Define Horizon. Click and drag a line across any part of the image that should be horizontally aligned. Release the mouse, and the software will automatically straighten the image. To ensure your design is accurately sized, use Define Scale. Select the Backdrop tool drop-down, Define Scale. Draw a line over a part of the image where you know the real life size, like an 8-inch quilt block. Enter the actual measurement and click OK. The software will resize your image accordingly. Once your backdrop is correctly positioned, you can lock or hide it to prevent accidental edits. Click the Select icon to freeze the image in place. Toggle visibility using Ctrl-B or click the Backdrop tool Show or Hide icon. To reselect the backdrop image to adjust, simply click the Backdrop icon on the toolbar. To remove the image completely, click Delete Backdrop in the icon drop-down. Now that your backdrop is set up, you can use it as a reference for tracing and designing. Use the Find Your Die tool to place die shapes over the backdrop. Adjust transparency so your quilt design remains clear. Align, rotate, and refine shapes to match the backdrop pattern. That's it! You've now learned how to load, adjust, and use the Backdrop tool in AccuQuiltable Block Maker. Want more quilting tips? Visit AccuQuilt.com for more tutorials and inspiration. Happy quilting!